Good day, teachers. I'm Mark Mendoza. You can call me Sir M. Let's mark up your math skills today. For this video, I'll be teaching you how to use Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that allows its users to create, share, and play fun, engaging, interactive, and educational games or trivia quizzes for any subject using any language and device. Further, it allows its users to curate existing Kahoots by browsing the Kahoots library. Now, let me guide you on how to use Kahoot. Let's start by creating your own account.
Go to kahoot.com. Click Sign up for free. Choose Teacher, then click School. Encode your email and password. Then click Sign up. And enter the necessary information such as your name, username, country, and school.
Let's check the navigation bar of Kahoot.
Home is where you can find the latest news and updates and other necessary information about Kahoot. Discover is where you can search and curate Kahoots created by other users. Kahoots is where you'll find Kahoots you created or the Kahoots that you started. Reports is where you can find the analytics of the Kahoots that you played. You can either download a spreadsheet of the results or save it in Google Drive. And Groups is where you can find the groups that you created with other Kahoot users or teachers.
Let's focus our attention on the content of Kahoots.
On the left-hand side of the page, you can see the following options. My Kahoots is where you can find the Kahoots that you created. Organization or school affiliation is where you can find the Kahoots created by your co-teachers. Favorites is where you can find the Kahoots that you started. Shared with me is where you can find the Kahoots shared with you on the platform. And My Drafts contains the Kahoots that you are not yet done.
Let me show you how to create your questions in Kahoot.
Click Create and then type your question. Tune the timer depending on the complexity of the question. You may edit the points and choose between single select or multi-select. You may also add an image or video to your question. You can drag and drop from your computer, choose one from the image library, or add the YouTube link. Add options for your question and mark the correct answer. Other than the multiple choice type of question, you may also use true or false questions in your Kahoot. These are the two types of questions available for free accounts. Other than creating your own questions in Kahoot, you can also add questions from the Kahoot question bank. Or you can download the spreadsheet template provided by Kahoot, type your questions offline, and then upload it in your Kahoot account. After creating all the questions, you can add the title and description, click Continue, then click Done.
What is the next step after creating your Kahoot? Now, you can play it in a live setting or assign it to your class.
For the live setting, pick the Kahoot that you want to use, then click Play. Then choose Teach. Choose either Classic or Team Mode. Check and edit all the other game options if you want. Give the Kahoot's unique game pin. Ask the students to go to kahoot.it or open the Kahoot application, then type their names. Click Start once all players have joined. For the live setting, questions or Kahoots appear on the shared screen, and the students or players use their devices as controllers to choose and submit the answers. For the assign setting, choose the Kahoot that you want to use, then click Play. Click Assign. Set the deadline for the Kahoot. You may also activate the other options if needed. Click Create. Then, you can copy the challenge URL or the game pin and share with your students via email, LMS, or other messengers. For the assign setting, the students can accomplish the Kahoot depending on the means provided by the teacher. They can complete the game at their own pace by viewing the questions and answers on their devices.
And that's it. You may start creating your own Kahoot. Thank you for watching this video and hope you learned something today. Watch out for my next videos.